Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make garlic and lemon chicken in slow cooker. So we're gonna do the first step of this. So I'm gonna got the chicken. I might just put the chicken in first because it'll be a lot easier to do it that way. In the way they were saying that, because what? Well, there might be. Oh. Oh. Wash my hands again. You gotta wash my hands. Fucking hell! Maybe asshole. Now the fucking other thing will be rub. I got this. So I'll just how many? One. Okay, we're gonna get 1 teaspoon. I get fucking hell. Outside smelled something last night. Yep, there goes our bloody guess what? The stove was left on all the pots were left on all night. Oh, I'm like, yeah. Wonder why. Fucking can't text mum later and tell her that they were fucking on. I just had asshole. That would have fucking killed us. Okay, I'm going to rub it in. Replace that. Okay. Got the butter in, so I'm going to switch it on. So, switch it on, see what's, right, put it down to 2. So that was melting, and I put the chicken in. No, it's starting to melt already. So I'm going to grab the chicken. Slightly. So I'm going to grab the chicken. The chicken. Oh, it's not really my good by covering up. My I'm just going to wait until that then I'll swap it over. So I'll put the chicken in. So I'm just going to wait until this put the cover on it because I just like to get into it. Okay. We're gonna do the second. So we're gonna add the chicken stock, lemon juice and garlic in the fry pan. We're gonna bring it to boil from the heat, pull into the slow cooker. So we're gonna do this. Yeah, of course. He should have watched. You know, he should have. No, this went straight to him. He just finished his dinner. Thought something was off. Mum's getting fucked off with him. You know, Mum had to pay more money in the fucking gas. You know. Oops, that'd be too much. That'd be alright. They might come 1.5 cups of chicken stock. I think I might have done too much, but you said you never say safe. You know, you never be safe and say sorry. Okay. Chicken stock. So I'm going to add the lime, the honey lime. We need 3 tablespoons. Okay, okay, little spoon. So we've got the lime juice. How could you just, walk away from it? Okay. I'm just going to put okay, I've got crushed garlic, but it says cloves, so I just got the crushed garlic because it's a lot easier. So I'm just going to put one in. So I'm just going to put it on. Start with him. And then I'm going to get this. We're going to bring this to boil. So I'm just going to wait. So we've got the sauce, so we're going to put the so I might put the water in here too, because it makes it Go and get the see how long we're going to turn it on. Leave it for 6 hours. Thank you for watching how to make chicken and garlic in the slow cooker. I'll write the description down below. Let's go push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.